Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today is English blockchain Robert Li blockchain diary. It's Sunday. Today is 21 April 2019. The time is 7 past 7 o'clock Beijing times. Now let's begin our blockchain diary. Today I just want to see three very interesting person. This weekend is a very busy weekend. We also have our lesson for blockchain and the digital economic DBA program. Yesterday we have a very busy days, and three person give our speech for their blockchain application case. Some is very interesting. The three person is Professor Xiao Jiang, Dr. Wang Qingyang, and Dr. Zhao Huan. Now let's find some interesting blockchain application used for this three person. The first is for Professor Xiao Jiang. Professor Xiao Jiang also is a student graduated from Jiaotong Universities, and is my schoolmate. Also is a intelligent person for the blockchain. He have many wide knowledge for high technology, for AI model, for big data, for blockchains. So Professor Xiao Jiang also gave us some knowledge and what he think about the technology revolution. He also think Mr. Kuhn's theory about the technology revolution is very important to himself to set up his own technology system. Also, he taught us something about the decentralization and centralization. Centralization and decentralization are always set up in one person, in one ecosystem. He also talked about some things about the location of the blockchain and the life memory in the age of information and the internet. He also gave some objective understanding the value and the direction of the blockchains. This is some idea he think how to influence his mind about the technology. About the blockchain application, he think the 6 major subversion power of the blockchain creating a new virtual community. This is the 6th power is finance sourcing, market sourcing, data sourcing, domain sourcing, machine sourcing, and power sources. To the financial sourcing, he think financial efficiency is very, very important to the financial sourcing and to the blockchain use. For example, ICO and IEO and STO also is more efficiency for similar as other financial method. Also, to the market sourcing, he think the industry application and the revolution is very important to the market sourcing. To the data sourcing, he think the things of the Internet of Things, IoT, is very popular many years, but it's very difficult to keep all the data together to connect each other, because blockchain can be used, and if it did not have a blockchain, the value of the digital can be get very quickly to the digital provider. To the home sourcing, he think this may be the real arrival of the Soho area. Professor Xiao Jiang thinks the Soho area will take, and so many young men will live his own lives, and the Soho area maybe come. And to the machine sourcing, he thinks this is a blue ocean. You need to pay more attention to the power sourcing, Mr. Xiaojiang think the decentralization and the intermediation may be very important to the structure setup. This is something Mr. Xiaojiang told us. Also, the second one is Dr. Wang Qingyang. Dr. Wang Qingyang is also is a member of our DBA and digital economic program. He is a founder of the Digital Plant. Digital Plant is a famous blockchain project in China, especially in Jiangsu province. Wang Qingyang, the master degree was in Jiangsu province, and now he's a doctor student. And to the digital plant, he also set up a digital plant chain. This is a public chain. He also used the public chain to provide the service for many industries, especially for Jiangsu province. For example, he also provides some service for children toy supermarket, and named is Haizwang. Haizwang is a very famous toy supermarket in China. He have so many supplier, and he need to provide the supplier chain finance, and this need to use the blockchain technology to set up a base system to help the core company, also help the finance company to find how to give some finance support to the supply chain. They also have finished some blockchain project for some water company. This water company also make some very nice water from the Jiuhuashan. This water you can use the blockchain system to provide the nutrition. You can use this blockchain system. Everyone use this water. This nice water can find where the water come from and how many steps they can get it. Of course, the digital blockchain, the digital plant have many technical advantage. For example, they also independent development improved conscious algorithm supporting conscious plausible and independent design mature chain governance model for different scenario supporting and role calculation, data isolation for privacy protection, and independent design of the cross-chain communication, patrol for data and assets, supporting national security, and self-designed and scalable IPFS storage model, and support for the mass storage need. So they have many disadvantage for the digital plant chain. Of course, perhaps next time you can use the digital blockchain, the digital plant chain. This is a public chain. They always give some digital plant, many other case for the digital plant chains. Too many cases. They have finished more than 10 different project for the blockchain use, blockchain application. Also, the third person is Dr. Zhao Huan. Zhao Huan, other name is Wa Ge. So many people know his network name Wa Ge. Professor Dr. Zhao Huan and his other business partner set up the version technology, the Chinese version technology. This is a very famous technology for use VR technology and plus the 5G plus the blockchain. So on the April 17th, 2019, during the 5G Cloud XR Asia Summit, ZTE and Shanghai Version Technology released the industry's first 5G mobile phones, plus the lightweight AR glass and plus the AR cloud platform solutions, and demonstration the AR-based video service on the support. Version technology have been well known in the AR/VR industry for the development of lightweight AR and VR products. You know, the version technology have a very light glass for the VR. You know, they are so light that sometimes similar as the normal glass. So the version technology's mini VR head display is currently the world's thinnest VR head display, combined with its self-development VR micro host DV box, making VR truly a home-grade product. A lightweight AR glass joint launched by the ZTE, and ZTE continue to enhance the light and shine, high definition, patchable plug and play, and other technology. You know, ZTE and Huawei and China Mobile also the business partner with Shanghai Version Technology. So I think this is a very good application for 5G plus the blockchain plus XR. So this is the three main topic about the three person. This three person gave our speech in yesterday's lesson. Also, we can find some other news about the blockchain. Many news come from the Binance, the Bian. You know, Binance also launched his coin. His coin price hit new all-time higher after the stem of announcement, and also you can find the BN released data for its consumer blockchain launched. Of course, you can find some other news about the blockchain games. You know, last week, very interesting in the blockchain games is launched. Name is launch demo together. Catch a demo together. Very interesting. If you like to play blockchain game, it's a very interesting game. Okay, let's see something about the cryptocurrency market. The Bitcoin is now the price is $5,332 US, and it's higher than 1.09%. The Ethereum, the price is 173.43, and is higher for 0.32%. The BCH also higher for 1.49%. The price is 303. Okay, thank you. Today is Sunday. Have a show. I just want to say have a good weekend. Thank you all.